Writing a strong hook is essential for grabbing your reader's attention right from the start. And here are several effective types of hooks to consider. So I'll put it all in the description as well. Number 2, the anecdote. Share a brief, engaging story related to your topic. This personal touch can draw readers in. Let's go with number 2 now, the quote. You start with a relevant quote from a notable person. Make sure it ties into your theme. Let's go to number 3 now, question. So basically, pose a thought-provoking question that encourages readers to think and engage on the theme of the topic. Number 4, fact or statistic. So present an interesting or surprising fact that relates to your subject. This can intrigue readers and set the stage for your argument. All right? Now, number 5, a vivid description. Use descriptive language and create a striking image or scene that relates to your topic, drawing in your readers to the narrative. Number 6, bold statement. Begin with a strong, controversial statement to provoke thought or debate. Now, here are some tips for writing a hook. Relevance. Ensure that your hook is directly related to the main idea of your essay. Okay? The tonality also. Match the tone of your hook with the overall tone of the essay. And I'll leave another surprise in the description. Now, by using some of these strategies, you can craft an effective hook that captivates your audience right away. Leave me a comment if you want. And Jesus is Lord, you know that.